back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am back with my everyday makeup routine for you guys. This video has been requested a lot recently, and if you guys would like to see how I do my makeup, then keep on watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and do not forget to check out my socials. I'll be linking them down below. And without the way, let's get into the video. So basically the first thing that I like to do in my everyday makeup routine is obviously to have like a clean base. The first thing that I like to use is actually the Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing balm. Now I just use this to remove makeup. Literally just melts the makeup off your face, which is so satisfying. This one is the Clinique All About Clean Liquid Facial Soap. I love using this. Everyone starts their makeup off with a primer. Personally, I love to use a moisturizer. I feel like it works really well for me and I really like feeling hydrated. These are like my go-to two moisturizers. I've been using like a mix of both. Today I'm going to go with the Clinique Moisture Surge Intense and just apply some of this onto my face. I just put like 4 big spots on my face, on both my cheeks, my forehead, and then also my chin as well. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Put like my hair out the way. I'm going to pin it back with a little bit of a claw clip. I love using claw clips in general. They're just such a nice fun hair accessory. And then I just rub the moisturizer in. I don't really use foundation that much, but if I'm having a content day, I like to use like a little bit of foundation. I'm going to start with curling my eyelashes first, and this is the Kiko eyelash curler. Curl my lashes and then hold it for a few seconds. It makes such a big difference with eye makeup. Curling them is just kind of like a no-brainer just because it really does lift them. I'm going to put a little bit of lip balm on, so I'm going to be using the Glossier birthdaybalm.com. It is such a good lip balm. I love this one, so I'm going to put some of this on while I do my makeup because for hydrating our face, we've also got to hydrate our lips as well. Before my eyebrows next, I'm going to be using the Micro Eyebrow Pen and Brow Brush, and this is from the Bronx. I don't know if you're meant to use like both eyebrow products, but I like using a mix of both because I don't know, it's just kind of how I do my eyebrows. I literally went the other day to get my nails done and I got my eyebrows shaped and waxed for back to school, as back to school is this week coming, as you guys will probably see by the time you guys are watching this. I've been having a little bit of a little glow up. That's been super fun. I'm gonna go with my classic Big Boost Fiber Gel from MAC. Today I'm gonna be going for like a very pinky glowy makeup because I'm having a bit of a content day today. So I'm actually going to apply some of this blush that I'm also going to put in my face and then mix it in with a little bit of glitter for my eye makeup. But yeah, now I'm going to go with glitter. I use my Morphe palette. I bought my Morphe palette in March and I've probably used it every single day since then. Today's video is sponsored by Ana Luisa. They do sustainable jewelry and their prices start at $39. You guys can also get 10% off your first order with my code siennaxsumms10. Ana Luisa craft really high quality jewelry at a very affordable price. They are also carbon neutral from packaging to products, and definitely something we need more of. Their designs are unique and they're definitely going to make you feel empowered, elegant, at your finest. I really like how dainty the jewelry is as well. Also, as well as the set, they also kindly gifted me another pair of earrings. This is what the second pair of earrings look like. Right now I've currently got butterfly ones on. This is the gold bracelet. As you guys can see, it's got like a little butterfly on it, and it also has adjustable clasp. And then this is the necklace. I'm obsessed. It is so gorgeous. Ana Luisa is also having a back to school sale with up to 60% off on selected items, and there is 100% something for everybody. I'm obsessed with the jewelry. I know you guys will be obsessed with it as well. And also, who doesn't love butterflies? It is such a nice set, and also as school is coming up again, it's just perfect for back to school season. You can literally turn up to school this year and look really cute. I'm just so obsessed with this packaging. Mine came in this little box with 4 of these kind of like little dust bags for your jewelry, which is adorable, and the little bags are also magnetic. You guys should also go follow Ana Luisa on Instagram. I will have all their social medias and all the things about today's sponsor down below in the description box. The colours in here are insane. I love them. I really like this one. It's kind of like a little rose gold moment. Also added a little bit of this white eyeshadow into like my inner corners just to brighten up my inner corners. I love this little eyeshadow hack. I'm now going to go with mascara. Dior Show Iconic Overcome Mascara, and then I've also got the Maximizing 3D Lash Primer Serum. This mascara is already so volumizing already, but with the primer it makes it so much more thicker and so much more vibrant. So I really like using these products. If you're looking for like a good mascara, I feel like these two are so perfect. They're so good. When I was literally like 10 years old, all I would do is sit and watch Zoella's makeup videos because I used to be so obsessed with them, and honestly that's kind of how I learned what is what in makeup. I went to my cousin's house when she was like 13 and she had all this makeup, and I remember we were going through her makeup bag and she was like, I know all the makeup products now. She said, which one's this, 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 and we went through the entire makeup bag and I named all of them, and I think I messed up like 1 or 2. Those Zoella videos really did pay off, and I learned like all these beauty hacks from her and also TikTok. Did you guys see that? Literally the before and after is the best. I'm now going to go in with blush, highlighter, all those things, because that's like the next thing in my makeup routine is blush. I'm always wearing blush. It's like my two favorite makeup products has to be mascara and blush. Guys, I just love them. I feel like they're so nice and they're just, it's coming out so good. Put like a little bit on my nose. I love this little blush thing on my nose. It's so fun. Brighten it up with it with a little bit of gold. So I'm going to use this one. It's the big gold one in the middle. I do have lip balm on, but I'm going to put gloss on. Lately, I've been loving the 3D Hydra Lip Gloss from Kiko Milano. That is my everyday makeup routine lately. I've been really loving doing this makeup look and I'm just so here for it. I'm loving how this makeup always turns out. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching. Also, make sure to go and purchase from Ana Luisa so we can match. I feel that could be so cool. It's so nice and it's perfect for your everyday wear to school jewelry or just if you're going out. I feel like it could be such a moment. Thank you so much, Ana Luisa, for sponsoring today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and do not forget to check out my socials. I'll be linking them down below. I love you guys. Have an amazing day, an amazing rest of your week. Bye.
You're always talking about